na ari si sang panina sang na pangten khoya la sak nang nei ding uhi amau te samdi here we are so privileged to have our REC Root Education Center students and Pastor Michael to sing a very wonderful special choir song. Let us give them a big applause as we welcome them. Please come forward. Pastor Michael le REC student sang na pangten na tunga khoya la sak nang nei ja ding im tua khit chiang ina idol pai dek ta ding hi han khát về một ngày đi ai bé pina
Hello, Zomi, how are you? How are you? Thank you very much for having us. And many of the students here are from Zomi, and we are very glad to be with you today.
Zomi tên là Đàm Mô Hiam. Câu hi sáng nào bằng tên lạc văn nena atam zo pen Zomi ma hiung. Tôi đi con kim bộ theo lung đam không?
We have 30 students who are sent out to 15 refugee schools, and to ZEC we send 6 students to teach in your school. So we are very glad to be with you today.
Hi sáng nào bằng tên lạc sáng nào bằng xóm chung phái na câu tế pen hi gambel sang atom tom mo kol gam sunga refugee sang tom tom te laga vapai na ka sangwa ka sin te uma amau te tunga ahil son te hi tulai takina sang som le sanga lai hila apai hi zomi sanga hi le sang nau pangguk na payung.
1 month ago, 10 of our students were selected to participate in the ASEAN Para Games 2017.
Tuma khakat lai na hi Asian Game, SEA Game ichi na laga zong sang nau pang som kitel na to taka poi lak dingai zong lam dingai zong ina kitel hi.
About 120 athletes came from Myanmar.
Minam zale som ni bang pen kol gam panang pai hi.
And the 10 students are, please put up your hands.
Sang nau pang som Asian Game a ki helten.
And so the whole school learned the song.
To poya ala khiadu lam pen sang bobina to ala khitchangina kana sinura tunina zong to lam to nglak nom hiu.
We will ask Tilboy, one of your children, to introduce this dance.
Te boy na hi to lam to kisang gending hi.
Dudam, tu ni arisi sang na bang dena akipan na bulam di ngupen 1,000 million Mars tina. Ete efek bina bele pung kidai dan lowin, kopi kualet tu kidai dan lowin. Kutkilen komin na isep jangin mimal kimina mai tai takin kutkilen na sem kom ding chi lamen na lian pito ubek pin pungsot na lauhi oi manina bek piun undam.
Music, please. Thank you.
Sunshine of
Okay, now we'll sing one African song for you. To sing the African song, they have to be dressed a bit like Africans. Come to the front.
Ni naina kung sak ding ula pen baba ye tu chi lahi hila pen African lahia alama ade na pen Ivan tung chung na pana ki lahi hila pana bang thanga na ne kayam chi le hi ei zomi pi te mo pasiani nongom pi na te athakin phoksani kolgam lama hile kholama hile pen hi po ibol tak changena pasiani kumlang sungto tungong pi na le ante lungdam takin chinom takinong laksana te lungdam ko na na ki bola hi ma bangin hi ei Malaysia zong mi te zong pasiani kamwel mi hi hangina ching kep na te lungdam ko tak sa ka hi manun ko ten lam na le la sang na to pa toy nang nei ding hung lungdam
Baba ye tu liye mi ngudi ye tu wamina baba ye tu liye uchi na la ueli tu kuswe tu pele o chakula chetu tu na choi da ji tu same hai ako sa ye tu kamana sitna basame se aku setuti katika majaribu lakini kutoka we na yule
da choy da chiu tu same mako sa ye tu he kamana sidna basame wale utu ko se a usituti kati kamajari bulakini utoko we na yule go we milele baba yetu 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 baba yetu baba yetu
atumna le atop nai na hallelujah chorus chi to la sanomung ina hi Malaysia gama kamtung kambang ina loki khonon lowa ayang ina isep ibol na jeda pasien ina thupang pia ina golzo na peden hi to hi manina hi hallelujah chorus chi ben pasien min thangta hen china hi a to eite golzo na peden i pasien min athang sem ding ina thang penwa mung to khijang ina tuni hi bang ina pasien na eite mun tom Malaysia mun tom panina ong kai khomina itaga kitwa thei to hi manina hi la to pasien min than na ding ina lang sanwa mung dam
I hear the Zomi people are very good at singing this song. Yes? Is that a yes or a no? Then we invite you to stand up and sing with us, okay?
REC sang nào bang te lum dam lo hi. Pastor Michael and REC student, thank you very much for showing your special skills, talents, and God's gift to us. Thank you. Ale tun aban zomina Zomi Idol 2016. Zomi Idol 2016 sian hoi isam dinga ama ong sakit yang ina